Ma'am, screen is visible?
Yeah, yes, it is visible. So test.
Ma'am, I am running this program.
Mm-hmm.
I am getting error like that, ma'am. You could not initialize class org.testng-eclipse.util.
TestNG is installed, right?
Yes, ma'am, I installed from help at install software.
From marketplace. Okay, from install new software.
Yeah.
Okay, right click on test.java.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, this program name is what? Test.java, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
ma'am. Yes.
testng underscore example 1.java. Where is that? It's in
Wait.
which? See, the current program is what? Testng underscore example 1.java. It is available in which package, in which project?
Oh, wait, ma'am. Wait. Ma'am, I am running different program also. I am getting same error, ma'am.
Click on OK. Close that error.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are running which one? tes.java. This is the one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So here you have, okay, don't use before suit. I think you are not ready to, you didn't have that required things for before suit. You might not have initialized any suit. Instead of before suit, just make it at the rate before, remove suit.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, here also after suit also I shall I remove?
Yeah, or just comment that complete method. Comment those two tags. Same way before suit also.
Yes, ma'am. नहीं अम्मी रुक जरा.
Okay, now try to save and run.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, again it is.
Run as what option are you choosing? Run as?
Test
Close
ng, ma'am.
it. Are you getting test ng option? Can you show me once again?
Look here, ma'am. It is available.
Right click on that tes.java left hand side.
Yes, ma'am. Now, ma'am.
I think screen is opening slowly. Have you right clicked on tes.java?
Yes, ma'am. Here options are available. Close others, close apps to left, close all, detach.
No, not there. Left hand side. In your project explorer.
Yeah. Okay. And here I have clicked.
Run as?
Yes, ma'am.
Test ng test.
Yes, ma'am. Shall I run, ma'am?
Yeah, run it.
Again, it is showing like that.
Launching test has occurred, enter during click details, same thing. Say
Ma'am,
class. Okay, then comment that import statements 3
which
and
are
7 because it is with class method suit. So it is something with the suit only. So let us not use the import statements also. Close the error message and comment those two import statements and save and try running again.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now again it is showing same.
Go to details.
Yes,
Student initialize org test eclipse dot util dot class method suit.
so,
Do you have that import statement for org test entry eclipse util class method suit? Test before test before method test. Yes. Comment before method and after method annotations.
yes, ma'am. Yes. Method also. Shall I run it, ma'am?
Yeah, try.
Mm,
I mean, comment the import statements as well. Before method and after method import statements.
yes, ma'am.
Ideally, we use at the rate before, at the rate before class, at the rate after class.
Yes, ma'am.
Instead of saying before test, you see first you need to identify the test. Do you have at the rate test annotated method?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is that? Or you do one thing. Okay. Did you try running this first?
Ma'am, wait. Wait.
What else you can make changes is instead of before test, you just say test. Instead of after test, just say test. Class
Before test,
can be
yes, ma'am.
there. No, that can be there. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, here you just remove before.
After test also.
Yes.
Ma'am, shall I have missed anything installation?
No, it is with these. Go to import statements, comment before test and after test imports.
Use
Ideally, after class, before class, test. Okay. Only these three are there. Okay. Rerun it after saving. Is that saved?
it is saying again same problem.
No, but are the updates saved?
Yes, ma'am, I have saved.
Class methods suit. Remove class from @before class. Just simply make it @before. Remove class. Same way after also. And comment their import statements. Import after and before annotations.
Ma'am, I have to comment these before class and after.
Comment those. And import these annotations before and after.
Okay.
Mouse over on it and try to run.
Ma'am, not available.
See, okay. So the problem is if you are using before class, it should be a static method.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you given it as static method?
No, ma'am.
Click outside. Say public static void launch browser and say before class.
Yeah, ma'am.
Go to line number 18. Line number 18. 19. Okay. You say it as before class only. Let it be before class.
Public.
No. Don't write, just modify the existing one. @before class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and here you have to say public void static. Add static before launch browser.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Now import before class.
But ma'am, here it is showing something.
Remove syntax or token remove void. Why is it so distributed? Yeah, remove void. It is void only. Void. Okay, I mean after static give void.
Yes, ma'am.
Is the sequence.
Yes, ma'am. Public static void.
Same way, do it for after class. After you make it as after class and add static.
Ma'am, shall I run?
Yeah, try now.
Yes, ma'am. Save it up. What is happening?
Check it
Ma'am,
on
shall I run?
Google for that error.
Ma'am, I have checked. It is showing nothing, ma'am.
Give it in the chat, I'll verify. Because the things are correct in fact here.
Okay.
Nothing wrong. At least to this extent before class and after class.
Ma'am, shall I stop sharing?
You're using 16 Java version. Okay. Yeah, you stop sharing and copy that error message. Could not
Okay.
initialize that last statement and give it in the chat.
Okay. Thank you.
So team who all have got their test terminated due to any issues, you will have to just wait for the retest email. Okay. So if there is a test scheduled once again, you will be receiving the email. You just have to wait for it. Mahesh, it's demo.opencut. Alternative for OpenCut if you're not able. See, there are only two options. First thing is you should install on your machine. If you're not able to do it effectively, then go with demo.opencut and whichever features you're able to work on it, you just try with it. And the third option is that see if any of your teammates have installed on their machine and it works fine, you can still access that. Instead of saying localhost, you have to give their IP address. Get your teammates' IP address and try to access the his or her, the teammates' URL from your machine by giving your teammates' IP address instead of localhost. These are the three options. Okay. Demo.openCart checkout issue, if it is there, we cannot resolve it because admin privileges are not given to us. Hope it is clear. Smita, yes, you can share your screen. Taik, can you just share the error message once again? Taik. So this is with cucumber, no class definition found, over options, annotations, parser. Can you give me the control? Yes, Karnakar, fine. Cheers. Okay, it's because of the swan, so try to create it as a Maven project instead of Java. Have you created this as a Maven project or a regular Java project? Because there is no form.xml file here, right? Mahesh, you're talking about Taik's test-ng error. Okay, so yes, Taik, can you just check it from your end whether you have added the test-ng dependencies or not? So team, what I'm trying to do is instead of creating it as a Java project and then struggling to add all the jars, you can actually create this as a Maven project and then work with the Cucumber. So I will share the recording of this so that all of you can work on it. I'll share the link in WebEx now. So here we have to wait for building 100% at the bottom, okay? So that is the reason we are waiting. It's trying to download all the jars, Cucumber, Selenium related jars, whatever required for the current project.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Yes, Mahesh. Tell me.
ma'am, Teams is not opening, ma'am. I have tried to open that in incognito tab also, but it's not opening.
Open. Did you install on mobile app?
No, ma'am. I am from first itself. I am opening that in web only in laptop.
On?
From first itself, I am opening it in web only, ma'am. My laptop.
Why I have been telling you, right, to install mobile app Teams and access. I have been telling you from the beginning. Why are you not installing mobile app?
But
So the
previously,
first
I'm using that in my laptop, right, ma'am. So at that time, I can able to go to Teams and I can able to
okay,
see
so if
all.
you are able to work on laptop, that is fine. And if
But
laptop
now,
app is
but
working,
now
that
it
is
is not
fine.
opening.
If it then the second option is the browser and the third option is the mobile app. This is the sequence. Okay?
Okay. Ma'am, and also I have told about open platform. Sometimes exam is not running on.
See, we cannot troubleshoot on each individual's installation. That is highly, not possible. Okay? You have to struggle yourself to install that tool. I have given the video links and the web link. If still you are
Ma'am,
failing, use
ma'am,
demo.opencut.
not like that, ma'am. I have installed it and I'm using that only, ma'am. But yesterday I'm can able to run the exam and I can able to do some.
Check whether all the services are running or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
I have tried my level best, but
Then go with demo.opencut.com.
but in
Whatever
demo,
you are in. Yeah, whatever till wherever steps you are able to do it. Remaining you can skip.
I can't able to do the advanced test.
Yeah, if you're not able to skip it.
That's not the problem right now, ma'am.
See, don't completely skip the test case. Just whatever the steps with respect to add to cart which are not you're not able to do it. Only those few lines of code you can skip. And what is the third option I have told you? You can check with any. You are working in a group, right? You have your
Yes,
other
ma'am.
group members. If
Yes,
any
ma'am.
of them have installed it, you can use their URL. That means instead of localhost, you can give their IP address and try it. This is the last option.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Right. So team, I have shared this Cucumber video link in the chat. You can access that. Try to access that and
Ma'am, I can't able to unmute myself.
Okay,
What
I
should I
will
do?
mute you. I am muting you. No problem. Okay. So so this is Asmita's screen, right? So Asmita, since it's taking more time to download the resources, you can stop sharing your screen. Okay. So now you create, the same features folder. You copy paste in the new Maven project, and you try to follow the video which I have shared. In that, I have just same steps. The only thing is, instead of creating the Cucumber, class files, in the regular Java project, we are doing it on Maven so that all the dependencies are available without any issues. You can try it out, go through the video, try those steps, and update me in tomorrow's session. Okay. So team, others also can copy that link, for their future reference for Cucumber issues. May 14th to June 5th. Okay, Shubham. So you try to give your presentation this Friday then, Shubham. That is one option. You could finish both the projects and the PPT. You can give your presentation this Friday so that your job will be done. That's one option I have. I can do. So team, I didn't get the answer for, is there any team who's ready for presentation, completed both the projects and PPT and ready for presentation? Is there anybody, any of the groups is ready for presentation for tomorrow? Yes, no? At least say no. No, I should get some response. If you say no, at least I will make a note of it that I'll have to wait for 2 more days. Okay, fine. Okay, enough knows. Fine, team. So please work on it, and we will connect again tomorrow. Okay. So let me see what is the progress. Okay. So for today, I'm winding up here, team. We'll connect same time tomorrow, and we'll discuss on any issues that you are facing. Shiva Prakash Reddy. You can share your screen, Shiva. Tilak, you can join group 39. You can check it in Teams group. Yes, what's your problem, Shiva? You can unmute and speak.
Ma'am, screen is visible, ma'am.
Yes, your screen is visible.
Ma'am,
So
it is
which
open
object?
card project only, ma'am.
Right.
Here, after checkout, I want to click on the continue, ma'am. Here, the last one.
Hmm.
I have inspected in the XPath, but it is not working properly, ma'am.
Go for other strategies. You have other techniques, right? To find the X path.
I tried all, ma'am, but it is not working.
Line number?
35, ma'am.
Line number 35, driver. So the previous step is executed, right? Clicking on checkout.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the error it throws? Does it say object not found?
No, ma'am.
Then what does it say?
I will show you once, ma'am. From here, it is not going forward, ma'am.
Okay, let us wait. So it is supposed to click on continue, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you interrupting in between?
From the morning itself, I have tried many times, ma'am. It not working. Even I tried in the ID and XPath and the CSS also, ma'am.
Clicking on continue, you should first read the error. What is that it is showing in Eclipse? Go to Eclipse. Does it say here? No such element to locate element. Nearest match. Unable to find an exact match for CDF version. Return the closest version. No such element. Expression. At line number, can you scroll to the right? Left. Spot. Java 77. Scroll to the left. Does it say anywhere that it is error at line number 35?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, it says. Test 7 Java 35. So it is that the same object is not available. So go back to the script, scroll up. So it could be that by the time you're trying to click on it, the button might not be enabled. So
Yes, ma'am.
that could be one reason. So to check that, we can add thread.sleep. So before 35th statement, after checkout, you add thread.sleep, wait for 5 seconds before you click on continue. Make it 5,000. Save and done.
Yes, ma'am. It's working.
It is waiting, but after that, did it click on continue?
Yes, ma'am.
It has clicked on it, okay? So this is the synchronization issue. So to
Okay,
all
ma'am.
others who are facing the same issue, so this is the general synchronization issues we find it when we deal with web applications. Because even in our regular day-to-day life, when we access any of the web applications, you notice that the web objects do get loaded little slowly, right? The web page loads its objects little slowly. So, and our script execution is very fast enough. So there is a synchronization issue. So we have discussed on explicit and implicit wait. I have shared you the links. You can just go through it. Instead of thread.sleep, you can also use that implicit or explicit wait. That is also fine. Okay, but for now, if you're going with thread.sleep, that's okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, right. So hope all others also have understood using wait statement. So for now you can go ahead with thread.sleep, but you also try implementing implicit or explicit wait. Okay, because if you give thread.sleep, what will happen? Whether the object is enabled or not enabled, it will mandatory wait for 5 seconds. That could be more sometimes or that could be less sometimes. So that is the reason you can go with implicit or explicit wait, which is much better than thread.sleep. Okay. So try to implement that, team. So team, I had other activities because of which I have to wind up for today. So any other questions you have, please try to discuss among your groups and try to get it clarified. And if still there are some queries, make a note of it. We will discuss on that in tomorrow's session. Okay. Right. So thank you all, team. We'll catch up again tomorrow, same time. Bye bye.